First order RC and RL filters form the backbone of many electronic systems, enabling the control and manipulation of signal frequencies in a simple though powerful way. A clear understanding of these filters is essential for anyone working with electronic circuits, whether you are designing audio equipment, refining communication systems, or building power supplies. Filters, as you know, determine how circuits respond to varying frequencies. The behavior of these filters depends on fundamental components such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. In real-world applications, the signal conditioning provided by filters is critical. It ensures that only the desired frequencies are processed, thereby providing the overall performance and reliability of electronic systems. As you progress through the lectures in this section of the course, you learn how these components interact in simple networks to achieve precise filtering outcomes. And understanding the principles behind first-order filters also offers insight into more complex systems that you'll learn about later. The concepts of voltage division, cutoff frequency, and phase shift that are covered here recur in multi-stage filter designs and other areas of signal processing. Now, this knowledge serves as a stepping stone to designing circuits that address a wide range of technical challenges in electronics. Each lecture in this section builds on the core principles of first-order filtering. The content is structured to provide a systematic exploration of both RC and RL filters, focusing on practical behavior and theoretical underpinnings, and that includes mathematics.